Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next we have to take the white tissue paper, fold it like this. Now fold it from the between and press it from the top. Now in the front, spread it like this, make the eyes and the face of the bunny, and it's done. Next we'll be taking blue color round paper like this. Now we have to cut it a little bit and then on the one side paste the trees. On the one side you have to paste the leaves. Now put the ducks made out of clay and it's done. Next we have to take a plastic bottle and take the wooden sticks, paste it on the sides of it and fill it with the clay. Now we have to take the small clay balls and make the flowers out of it. Make few more as such and paste them on the dry stick or the stems and put them one by one and your beautiful flower vase is ready. Next take a frame-like shape of the wooden cardboard sheet and paste the double-sided tape over it. Spread the clay with the help fork. Make the grasses and the flowers and mushrooms like this. Paste it and your frame is ready. Next we have to take a pink color paper, fold it like this and paste it. Take a straw, cut it from the between. Now after that make a bicycle out of it, make its handle, wheels and the seat and it's done. Next we'll be taking the round cylindrical object, cut it like this from the top and the sides and put the sheet in the between. Take the pink color clay to make the flowers, make the white color dot in the between, make few more flowers and paste it. Make some leaves also and paste it over the sheet and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a paper cup and make a face of a bunny over a paper. Tie 3 straws together, cut it like this. Fix it in the holes in the paper cup and put the face of the bunny over the straws and your toy is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the egg tray, color it with the green color and then cut them out. Now take another one and then you have to take the clay and put it on the sides of it. Now put the white color dots like this, make the stems of the mushroom and fix it. Now you have to paste it over the tray like this and your mushrooms are ready. Next, take the ice cream sticks and paste them like this and fix them with the help of the rubber bands. Keep fixing it like this and make the stand-like shape. Put the water bottle cap on the one side and your toy is ready. Next, we have to make this beautiful basket. So take the paper plate like this. Now we have to fix the paper strips in the between of it like this. Now paste it on the top. Now make its handle like this from the sides and your beautiful basket is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the earbuds, cut it like this from the ends and then you have to make the flower out of it. Now you have to take these sticks and put the water bottle cap with the double-sided tape and put the sticks on the sides of it. Fix the flowers over it with the clay and it's done. Next, take the egg tray, cut it and fill it or just color it with the green color. Take the orange paper, fold it like this and mark the lines. Make the face and the body of the tortoise, make its eyes, nose and mouth and your tortoise is ready. Next, take a plastic bottle, cut it like this from the between, put the rubber band on the sides of it. Now after that, make a hole on the water bottle cap as shown in the video and your beautiful toy is ready. Next, we have to take a paper, fold it like this and then staple them together and then we have to press it and spread it a little bit. Now take a paper strip and roll it like this. Put it on the top and a butterfly is ready. Next, take a orange color paper, cut it and make a cone-like shape. Take a green color paper, make the eyes and face of the tortoise. Paste its hands and legs and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.